little learners, today we are going to start with chapter number first, that is the food we eat. So in this chapter, I will tell you about food. As you know that food plays important role in our daily life. What? By taking food, what we get energy and we remain healthy, right? Strong and healthy. So basically, we get food from two sources. One is plant and other is animal. So if we talk about plants, we get fruits, vegetable, pulses. And animals, we get milk, meat, egg and fish. Right? So let's start with our chapter. Now let's explore the journey of. So in this chapter, I will tell you about the importance of food, different kinds of food, balanced diet and good eating habits. Now importance of food. Our body grows in size and weight. However, the body does not grow itself, right? Our body does not grow itself. So, food is an important for our body to grow. If you want to make your body healthy and grow it well, so what you all eat? We all eat food. You can see over here how our bodies, when a baby is born, he does not know what to eat and what to drink. Then he become a child, then into an adult, into a then a baby, then child, and then adult, and then what? You're young and old. So we all need food to live. What we do eat? We eat food to live. Food helps us to grow, makes us healthy and strong, right? We get energy from food so that we can work and play. From where do we get energy? From fruits. So that what we can do? We can work and play. Now let's study about the different kinds of food. We all eat different kinds of food and different kinds of food helps us in different way. Like if you are eating, like we eat bodybuilding food, protective food and energy giving food. So we eat different kinds of food. Each kind of food helps us in special way like sugar, butter, bread, potatoes, rice, pulses, chapati. What they do, they gives us energy. So what we call them? Energy giving food. So we have food like fish, egg, milk, cheese and vegetables. What they do? They makes our muscles and bones strong. So what we call it? Bodybuilding food. Then we have one protective food also like fruits and vegetable. They comes under protective food. What they do? They protect our body from disease. Now here you can see a social reality is given. So milk, it is complete food in itself. You can see a newborn baby or a baby of till 6 months, he drink only milk. And what? So milk, it is an complete food. We should drink at least 2 glasses of milk every day, right? Next topic, that is balanced diet. What is balanced diet? A balanced diet consists of all types of food items that are required by the body for its healthy growth and proper strength. If you talk about balanced diet, it contains all the nutrients that should be present in our diet like carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals and fibers. So, it must contain these things in a correct proportion. Next is sources of food. We have two sources. I have told you in the starting only. We have one plant and another animal. Food from plants includes fruits, vegetables, nuts, grain, pulses. We also get food from animals. Cow gives us milk. We use milk to make milk products. Cheese, butter, curd, ice cream, and ghee. Hens and ducks gives what? Eggs and meat to us. So what? Let's study about the good eating habits that you should follow in your daily life. We should always wash our hands. If you are taking meal, before meal you should wash your hands and after meal also. Then we must take food at a fixed time. There should be a fixed time of interval for taking food, right? Like breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon and dinner at night. The food we should eat should be fresh and clean. कैसा होना चाहिए food? Clean होना चाहिए और fresh होना चाहिए. We should eat only when we are hungry, right? We should chew the food properly. We should never waste it. आपको खाने को अच्छे से चबा के खाना है और खाने को वेस्ट नहीं करना है. वी शुड नॉट ओवर ईट. आपको ओवर ईट नहीं करना है. ठूस ठूस के खा लेते हैं, वो नहीं करना, राइट? वी शुड नेवर ईट अनकवर्ड फूड. मोस्टली व्हाट हैपेंस, द चिल्ड्रंस दे गो along the roadside and they eat uncovered food. That is unhealthy for you. आपको वो नहीं खाना चाहिए. So why should we not eat junk food for more often? Why? Doctors also tell you that you should not eat junk food. Why? Because they are not good for our health. Right? This all thing I have told you about the food. Hope you understood each and everything. Right? I have told you about the sources of food. What are the two sources? Give me the answer in the chat box. Now, next, your homework is you will go at your home and discuss or follow all eating healthy habits that I have told you in this chapter. Right? Thank you for watching with me. Keep enjoying, keep learning. We will meet in the next class.